Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to implement variables in our C program. In our previous tutorials, we have gone through what are data types and how it is used. And in this tutorial, we will be writing to implement variables. Now, we will be doing our C and C++ development with Eclipse. If you don't know how to set up Eclipse, I will recommend you go to the fundamental courses, and from there you can find out tutorials upon Eclipse. We have created one C project here, and in this project we'll be creating one new file which will be a new source file, and let's just name it variable.c. It will create a new C file for us. Now here let us write a program to demonstrate how variable works. I have already written one program, so I will explain you how it works. The stdio.h, as you know, is the preprocessor which includes this header. Our method main, this time we have kept its return type as int. So here is how we can declare a variable in C. First, the data type, which is int, and then a comma separated list of the variables. In this case, x and y. Int z, that means the variable, its name is z, or the identifier of that variable is z, and its data type is integer. Here we have declared one more variable which data type is float and its name is f. So this is how we can declare variables in C. Now let's see the initialization of that variable. X equals 5. This will store value 5 in X, or we can say in other words, X is assigned a value 5. In the same way, Y is equal to 10. Now Z is equal to X plus Y. This is an arithmetic operation, and we will learn about arithmetic operations in our further tutorials. Then printf. Printf is a function or a method which is used to print a set of characters on the console window. So it says the value of Z is %d. Now %d is for any integer, and this first %d represents the first variable which is given after the comma. So it prints this variable's value instead of this %d. Then we have set f is equal to 100.0 divided by 3.0. Again the printf, and it says the value of f and %f. %f is used to print floating points. So it will print this f here, and this /n means new line. Return 0 returns 0 which is an integer, and this is how our variable.c program works. The summary of this program is how to declare variables and how to initialize them. Now let's build this program and run it. For that, we'll click on this button. It will ask us that variable.c has been modified. Save changes. Yes. And as you can see, the value of z is 15 because 5 plus 10 is 15, which is here. And the value of f is 3.3333332. This was it for this variables tutorial. Thank you.